If you want to get to know more about the players and the tournament, just log on to www.v-league.ph. And of course, we invite you to like www.facebook.com/Shakey'sVLeague. So be a fan. Tulad ng Barry, I love Barry Pasqua.
Fan ako nun. Fan na fan.
Ilan na ba yun? Mawa 1 million na ba yan? Tatalunin ba si Vice Ganda? Sa 1 million likes. Lumalaban. Patty Orindain to serve as the Lady Stingers up by 3 in this third set. A set, if they get, would close in this game and would put them up the standings with 2-1. But not just yet. Kaya ni Pomaceno serving for NU. Mag-log on kayo dun sa Shaky sa website para malaman nyo bakit hindi gumagalaw yung buhok ni Doc Ian pag nakita siya. Kung anong ginagamit niya.
Tips ba yun?
Nandun ang sulat.
I like that.
Just to know the secret behind the hair.
Not just about the games.
Oh, yes.
But also about Doc Ian.
Mabawi lang ako. Kiano, serve for USLS. She gets ready. Jen Reyes easily getting to that. Man dapat. Almost a smart move using the blockers, but it's a net violation. So point goes to USLS as Quijano again serves. Was some alarm for Coach Francis Vicente.
Hindi kasi referee. Ito gawin mo. Tama yung intensyon mo. Kaya lang, ang problema, binababa mo yung kamay mo. Okay? Tama yung touching the net ka. Okay? Kaya magreklamo doon. Tama yung tawag niya. Ang ginagawa mo kasi, binababa mo. Actually, dapat, ginano mo na lang yun. Okay? Kung hindi mo siya binaba, hindi ka matatouching the net. Okay? Instig tayo para si Monique hindi mahirap. Makapagbigay. Ayun. Hindi pa malayo yan.
Well, you heard it right, where, ayan, yung ating Powerpuff Girls, Mozzie Ravenna. This is Mozzie Ravenna and Anne Remulla with me, and Miaka Lim. And, you know, if you heard it right, sabi ni Coach Francis Vicente, huwag niyong pahirapan si Monique, which means Monique Yanko will now set for the Lady Bulldogs.
She has been setting since the earlier, since earlier, But, you know, if you look at the numbers, you'll see that what's really lacking with NU at this point is attacks. Kanina, when the numbers were handed to me, it was at 7-3. 7 attack points for USLS, NU with 53. So, it has been the same story.
Yes.
First set, second set, ganun malayo yung attack points.
Coach Francis with another timeout. Let's try to listen in.
Backlight. Bakit hindi nyo nakitang dumadating ang bola sa inyo? Kasi bakit? Inaasahan nyo yung libero, lagi magtatrabaho para sa inyo. Yan ang maling attitude. Tamad. Hindi kayo mananalo sa libero lang. Hindi. Kailangan kayo din matuto kayong dumipensa rin. Hindi pa tapos yan, 21-15. Ilan lang ang lamang yan? 6. Hindi naman lamang ng business. Enyo. Defensa lang.
Okay, so some words coming from Coach Francis Vicente. As Chivas now returns for Sante in the front line.
That's actually true, I think because they know that Jen Reyes is with them on the defense, on the defensive row, you know that you can depend on her. So your tendency automatically is, kay Jen na lang yan. So you probably won't exert as much effort as when your libero is not in the back row.
You know, sometimes you go back to the question na nakaganda ba yung libero? Kasi tayo, naalala mo dati, wala naman libero.
Yeah.
Everybody now knows how to defend, diba? Yung defense pattern, lahat kayo
kailangan. And you have to know all the steps because you rotate.
That's right. So, minsan talaga, pag wala kang inaasahan, mas magandang nilalaro. But ito, si Vivas maaasahan on that last play as she scores instantly for the Lady Bulldogs. Bianco to serve. Denila! Single block only coming from the Lady Bulldogs. Not enough. Denila taking that point. USLS, and it's just 3 points away to taking this game.
And you know what you see from USLS, we haven't seen much of those spectacular plays, but you know, one good thing to note is that they really play with their mindset on the game. Alam mo, they have a very good court sense.
That's true. Denila again, this time hitting the back row. Kai Nepomuceno not too ready for that attack. Another point goes to Denila. That's beauty Denila.
And Byron now coming in for Kai Nepomuceno.
It's loose Byron. Kia Blasca to serve, jump serve. Byron is ready for that, but Monique Bianco throwing that second ball away. Double violation called against her. Blasca trying to finish this third set and trying to get this game, close this game. Wow, sharp serve! I thought it was going straight to the net,
but it was a good angle from Blasca.
Great serve and a great way to finish this game against NU. So really dominating this game as you see the shaky shake and play.
This deserves a second look, Mozzie. Nice, very sharp service ace.
Razor sharp service ace. As you see the scores, USLS winning this one 25-19, 25-18, 25-17. The Lady Stingers winning this one emphatically in 3 straight sets. Well, we have, of course, our best player of the game, Miaka. Who is the girl beside you who stepped up in this game?
Another Powerpuff girl. So si Patty Orendoy with 16 attack points. Now, Patty, sabi sa akin kanina ni Coach Roger, natalo na daw itong NU sa Uni Games, and you guys have done it once again here. Ano ba yung nagiging secret nyo na parang you guys are on the way to the top?
Ang una-una po, nakatulong po yung coach, yung guest player namin na libero, si Coach Webby. Tapos, in-enjoy po namin yung game. Tapos, ang teamwork, tapos, sinunod lang po yung instruction ni Coach. Yan po.
Okay, dahil ikaw aming best player of the game, meron kami Shakey's bag for you. And alam ko meron kang gustong batiin.
Hi sa Family Orendain, Family Propongo, kay Nang Shane, Tita Arlene, tapos sa Familia Plasca, sa lahat ng mga teammates ko dyan. Sa mga family na teammates ko, hi. Sa mga friends ko, hello.
Okay, thank you and congratulations once again. Back to you guys.
Great game for Patty Orendain. So, wait for our main game. It's going to be Lyceum versus Ateneo. So, this has been Mozzie Ravenna with Anne Remulla and Miaka Lim for this first game in the Shakey's B-League. That was a bullet on the bilis.
Dumping it in. Excellent release on the defense. Yes!
You can see the power from her spike.
Oh, very strong rally. Still alive.